guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group stock trading on the Nasdaq. We had here now yesterday a small pump of 21.5%. Yeah, that has not surprised me, guys. I will show you here, of course, all the price level information and if this is the beginning of a bigger squeeze or not. Of course, everything what I say here is not financial advice. I give you here just my opinion based on the chart. Yo guys, the news are telling here something about Trump is blah blah blah, I don't care. So this was the price level, or the move which we had here now yesterday was the price move which I expected. We had this short squeeze here for DJT. If you didn't see in my previous videos, I also predicted the short squeeze for DJT when the price was still trading in the $12 range. You can see these videos here are available on my YouTube channel. And now we have here something like a post squeeze. And I said already here weeks ago that we have to come back in this yellow box here. This is the yellow algo box where we have to come back. Yeah, just based on the algos, that has nothing to do with news or whatsoever. So we can now use here TradingView to simulate if the price came back to the yellow box or not. And then afterwards we talk about the next price levels for DJT. Okay, let's start here. Zack, zack, zack. So, okay, and there we go. We start to rise. Boom. Zack, zack, zack. Now the first attempt, we failed. We have to touch the top line here of the box, guys. That's very important, of the yellow box. So blah blah blah, and there we go. So guys, here we are. That was the price move from yesterday. So what does that mean? That means, yeah, listen please what I say until the end, but technically this squeeze move is over. Yeah, technically this squeeze move is over. Just based on what the algos have to do, this squeeze move is over. Yeah, that doesn't mean that the short squeeze overall is over, that we cannot see a short squeeze for DJT. As I said, guys, I released my video here in September where I said we can expect now a short squeeze for DJT. Why? Or a squeeze, at least an algo squeeze. It is a mix between a short squeeze and an algo squeeze. Why? Because the market makers always get the lowest possible price. If a stock, guys, yeah, is tanking down here from $79 back down here to $12, $11.75, and then starts to squeeze, we cannot call that a short squeeze. I also use the word short squeeze, or the wording short squeeze, because it is more easy to understand for people, but it is not a real short squeeze. When the market makers cover their fail to delivers or synthetic shares or shorts at these low price levels here, then they do that voluntarily and they don't get squeezed out of their positions. That's why normally we cannot call that a short squeeze. That was an algo pump, an algo squeeze. DJT is doing that over and over again. And now, as I said, based on what the stock has to do technically with this candle, my landing zone has been fulfilled and the squeeze is technically over. So what does that now mean in favor for a long-term short squeeze? Yeah, there is of course a potential that we see here higher prices incoming. We have also no more open gaps here in the daily chart when we switch to the 4 hours chart. Also, guys, no open up gaps. That's why I say technically the squeeze is done. But of course we have some squeeze potential, because we can see that we have this uptrend line here, which is in support or in favor of the bullish price momentum here for DJT since January 2024. As long as we're holding these price levels here, which I explain you in a second, guys, the squeeze or a bigger squeeze is still possible for DJT. When we talk about squeezes, I always release here short squeeze stocks on my channel. What I try to do here, guys, this is one of my missions, is to predict short squeezes. Every Sunday I release my so-called hot stocks. When I release a hot stock video, that means that the tickers in those videos here have very high squeeze potential, and I personally expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see some here of my member feedbacks where my members made 370% profits, 350% profits with just a single trade. And I also want to share here very quick one of my latest member feedbacks here. Very impressive. Yeah, this guy here, you can pause the video of course and read the message by yourself. But here one of my members joined in here my membership, and after 4 months, guys, 4 months of membership, he made in total 974% profits, guys. Yeah, very, very impressive, and yeah, congrats to this member here. And he also said, yeah, that yeah, he thanks for the efforts which I put in here and teaching those who want to learn. And this is everything about this channel here, guys. I started this channel to educate you in trading. This is my main mission here. And of course, when you also want to see here some very high potential short squeeze stocks, then you can join in here our trading community like this member here. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys, and I upload here almost every day short squeeze stocks or swing trade alerts. Yeah, every week I upload here content, and when you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link. Everybody is welcome. That doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced trader. So guys, for DJT, what is the game plan right now? Let's switch off here the indicators for a second. As I said, this yellow box has been fulfilled. We are done. I will keep it in the chart for a couple of more days, but usually we don't need that anymore. What we have to focus on, let's first talk about the bear case scenario. You can also see that DJT starts to plump a little bit in the pre-market here, -7%. The bear case, or let's call it the bull case scenario, guys. The bull case scenario is that DJT doesn't go lower than $33.37. Yeah, we know that the market makers had here this huge correction incoming, and we dropped below this zone, but we recovered really quick. We had immediately here a retest and then a second retest, and you can see then we managed it to go higher, as I said, because we had to. Yeah, the technicals, the algos had to do that. The chance that we hit this price zone here was about 90%, and it has been fulfilled yesterday. That means as long as we're trading here above $33.37, we have still a higher squeeze potential for DJT with the price target of at least $50. If we leave this price range here, guys, and cannot recover really quick, we cannot regain here this kind of algo trend line, this algo support, then something like this could be the result, that we come back down here and start to close all the open gaps. There is a small safety net here at $23, but to be very honest, guys, we have the open gaps here at $10. And when we switch back one more time to the 4 hours chart, you can see there is also one open gap at $16. This is also for us a very important liquidity zone here for DJT. But as I said, be aware that when we lose the support here in the $33 range, we could see much, much lower prices incoming. The algos always, you know, do their job, and one of the jobs was to hit here $40.41. And one of the jobs in future is, yeah, when the market turns bearish, we are still in a bull market here, by the way, but if the market turns bearish, then one of the price goals will be, for example, $23.84 and even $16.51 for DJT. Mark my words, guys, this is not to scare you. This is simply what the algos are doing. They just fulfill their job here. And yeah, you can see now, right now, when I make the video here, that we still struggling here and fighting exactly here at the top of this white trend line. You can see how we're trying to find support here. That's why I say this is a very significant price range. Keep that in mind here. Everything between, in the 4 hours chart, at $39, but $33 is the make it or break it price level, which we should not lose for DJT, otherwise it could get ugly, guys. So guys, that was my update for you. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, you can see here all the price levels in the scale. This is everything based on TradingView. If you want to learn trading, guys, if you also want to be successful in trading like this member here, who is also working here with the technicals, then you can of course get yourself TradingView today. I offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. Yeah, my friends, I wish you nothing but the best with all your trades. If you don't want to miss any updates on DJT or my other short squeeze stocks, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Also have a brand new account on X, Twitter. You can follow me there as well if you want. The link is in the video description. I wish you great success. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten DJT Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.